Let's go, motherfucker, bro.
So, welcome back to my YouTube channel, no? Chairman nga pala. So, medyo nabitin tayo kay Jong Madaliday sa The Clash. Oh my God. Pero congrats again kay Jong Madaliday. Congratulations. Oh my God. After 6-7 years, champion na si Jong ng The Clash 2025. At hindi lang basta-basta series ng The Clash yun. The best of the best ng The Clash ang makakasali doon, no? So, talagang deserve ni Jong yon. So, eto, nabitin tayo. Kinumpile natin tong mga shorts niya kasama si Karil kasi talagang nakita ko yung mga video nila dati. Talagang may ano silang tawag ng chemistry. Chemistry, hindi lang sa pagkanta, pati yung silang dalawa mismo as a human being, talagang parang napaka gandang couple nila, no? Nakakakilig. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Panoorin na natin silang dalawa. Let's go. Anto, Iris tong una.
Give up forever to touch you, 'cause you know that you feel somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be.
Ba't ka nakangiti? Nakakilig, ano? Ganda ng blending nila. Ang ganda yung intro ni Jong. Tapos nag-a-acapella siya habang may one note siya sa gitara. Siguro ano yata yun. Nakakapo siya. Baka yung fifth string yun. I don't know. Katunog or baka yung fourth or fifth string. Alin man doon sa dalawa. Oh. Sorry, ulitin ko.
You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your light. Sooner or later it's over. I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't know others see me, 'cause I don't think they understand when everything is made to be broken.
Grabe tumingin si Karil, no? Kairil. Grabe tumingin si Kairil kay Jong, no? Pag titi siya talagang yung ngiti niya, basta malagkit ang tingin
I just want you to know who
Tingnan mo, di ba? Nakalak.
I am. If you can fight the tears that ain't coming.
Hindi niya kaya tignan din ng diretso. Pag tinignan siya ni Jong, hindi niya kaya tignan. Kilig din siya. Kahit ako, kiligin ako eh.
Oh, the moment of truth in your eyes, when everything feels like movies. Yeah, you leave.
Fourth string, anong kapo to? Second fret ata yung kapo niya. So, sharinganin niyo yung notes.
Just know you're alive. And I don't wonder what the is to me, 'cause I don't think that they understand when everything's made to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know.
Okay, sa mga clips na kita ko to, dito tapos eh. Hanggang ano lang sila eh. Basta hanggang unang half lang ng chorus eh. Dito may ganito pala. Mas nakakatawa to, tignan, nakakilig, ano. Napaka-raw.
I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am.
Oh my God. So, to next video, Love the Way You Lie naman. Same pa rin, Jong Madaliday at Kairil. So, let's go. Maganda rin to.
On the first page of
Tingnan nyo paano tumingin si Kairil,
The future seems so bright. Even angels have their wicked schemes, and you take back to new extremes.
Napakaganda ng quality ng boses ni Kyril din, no? Pare sila ni Jong. Napaka-unique. Ewan ko, napaka-angelic ng boss ni Kyril. Sobrang ganda. So, talagang bagay sila ni Jong. Bagay yung boses nila ni Jong. Totoosin.
You always be my hero.
Ayun o, di ba?
Though you've lost your mind, just gonna stand there and watch me burn. But that's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and keep me crying. But that's alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. Just gonna stand.
Hindi ko in-expect na maging ganun yung sa ano nila. Sa part na yun. Ang galing talaga ni Jong. Especially ni Jong gumawa ng mga ganun yung mga iibahin niya. Tapos adlib. Hindi adlib eh. A-adliban niya muna. Tapos ganun na yung gagawin susunod pagka maganda yung kinalabasan. Parang ganun. Ang ganda ng ginagawa niya. Hindi na damay niya kay Kyril yung arrangement niya. Ang ganda ng kinakalabasan.
Watch me burn. But that's alright, because I love the way it hurts. Just wanna stand there and keep me quiet. But that's alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
Baka may mag-rap pa.
I love the way you lie. 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 Count you to the bone.
Eargasm, pare. Di ko ma-explain. Sakit sa ulo. Ganda, napakaganda. Grabe tumatay balahibo ko. Magaling. Napakaganda ng blending. Sobra.
I want you to the bone. So take me on falling. Love me along, losing control, body and soul.
Hindi ko alam kung nasan sila, pero ang ganda ng reverb. Guro parang nasaan sila. Mukha bang kwarto to, pero gantong kadalasan tunog nasa mga far exit eh, di ba? Yung mga medyo ma-echo. Isa pa. Ulitin ko.
Count you to the bone. I want you to the bone. So take me on falling. Love me along, losing control, body and soul.
Grabe yung mata ni Kyril. Nakalak siya. Kilig, grabe. Ano naman to? Hindi ko alam to. Ocean Eyes.
For sometimes
Hindi ko alam na may ganito pa pala sila. Hindi ko pa napapanood to. Tingnan mo, tapos nagtinginan pa sila. Ah, may gulay.
I've been watching you for some time. Can't stop staring. Red from stars, 50 flares inside those oceans. Those ocean eyes.
Oh my
Cry when you give me those oceans. My phone cries out when in the oceans. Those oceans.
Hindi ko mapigilan di sumabay. Grabe ganda. Boss si Billie Eilish, oh my god.
Staying connected matters.
At doon na nga nagtatapos, ano, nabitin pa rin ako, pero hanggang doon na muna. Kinilig ka ba? Kinilig din ako, at kung kinilig ka, like, share, and subscribe naman dito. Follow nyo ako sa YouTube account natin at comment down below kung ano pa mga video pwede nating i-reaction, i-review, suggestions, open for suggestions ang comment section natin. No? Thank you so much again for watching. So, have a great week ahead and see you around. Peace out.
Let's go, motherfucker, bro.